for boiled tomato.
That's how it all started. While I was working on my communications degree, I found out my university also had culinary classes. I knew I had to get in. I was told many times I couldn't because I wasn't a hospitality major, but that didn't stop me. I got to help at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival. I graduated, eventually got married, and started hosting dinners. And then the pandemic hit. And I had a lot of extra time, so I started posting my food pictures on Instagram, and I was contacted about my first collab, a video of me using a pizza kit, and it was a hit. And we've been posting consistently for about a year. Seasonal recipes, those inspired by books and film, always teaching you the tips and tricks I've learned throughout the years to help you achieve the best results. So follow along, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media. We're just getting this party started.